Did you know one of the greatest narrators of Islamic history was called Abu Hurairah, which mean in Arabic language, father of the kitten? Meet Abu Hurairah. But why that name? It's because he loved cats. Imagine a legendary figure with a soft spot for furry friends. Abu Hurairah was not just a cat lover, he was a companion of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, spreading wisdom and hadiths. His dedication was unparalleled. Picture him, a humble man sharing profound stories while cuddling with playful kittens. It's a twist of fate that this gentle soul became a giant in Islamic scholarship. How many tales do you think he shared? The next time you pet a cat, remember Abu Hurairah. What legacy will you leave behind?